solve and graph each solution set, we have the absolute value of a is greater than 5. If the absolute value of a is greater than 5, then a must be less than negative 5, or a must be greater than 5. To graph that, we would mark on the number line a 5 and a negative 5, and graph the interval that is less than negative 5, the interval that is greater than positive 5, and the solution set would be the union. So we could write this in set builder notation as the set of all a, such that a is less than negative 5, or a is greater than 5. Or we could write it in interval notation as the union of the interval from negative infinity to negative 5 and the interval from 5 to infinity.